guys, welcome back. So it has been a hot minute since I have filmed a video. There has been a lot going on and I just needed to take a break for a little bit. The holidays were here and then I had to have surgery unexpectedly, and then from there we had just a lot going on. So I thought I'm just going to take a break and pause for a little bit, but I'm so happy to be back. I have really missed it. I've missed you guys, and I just kind of wanted to do an updated video. And this is a little bit different already. I just dropped Stella off at school, and so I'm off today, and I'm so excited to be off. I've got lots to do. I need to clean our house. I need to run get groceries. It's just a busy day, but I'm super excited to be off today. So I thought you guys could come along with me in the car and I do an updated video of kind of what's been going on, what we have coming up with our Disney trip. I'm really excited about that and all the things. So I'm happy to be back. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Taylor and I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel, I like to share tips and tricks on taking your family to Disney World, and maybe I can make the process just a little bit easier and more fun. But I kind of want to change up my channel. So I love Disney. Like I said, we love going to Disney. We love Disney trips. We love all things Disney, but I kind of want to do some other things too. So let's get to driving and I'll get to talking. Okay, so since this is mostly a Disney themed or geared toward channel, I want to talk about our next upcoming trip. So our next trip is in May, and I'm really excited because we've never done this before. We are doing a split stay, and I'm really looking forward to that. So we are going to be staying at All Star Music for the first part of the trip, and we're going to be staying in their family suites, and I'm really excited. They look really cool, so I'm going to do a room tour on those. I'm excited to stay in those and just kind of see how they're kind of laid out and if it's good, you know, for a larger family, which that's what it's geared to. The suites are geared to a larger family. They have 3 queen beds. One of the beds is a Murphy style bed. So I'm excited to see how we all fit in there. There's 6 of us going. So it is my husband, me, Stella, and then my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, and then their son, my nephew. And so I'm excited to kind of see how 6 people fit in there. And then for the rest of the trip, we're going to be at Animal Kingdom Lodge, which is one of our absolute favorites. I absolutely love that resort. And we have my brother and sister-in-law and nephew, they're staying in a 1-bedroom villa, and then we're staying in a deluxe studio, and we really like it. We've both stayed in these rooms before, and they're Savannah View, so I get really excited about that. It's really nice to be able to go out in the morning and just sit before everybody wakes up and have a cup of coffee and watch the animals. So I cannot wait for that resort. Their pools are amazing. They have really good restaurants there, and it's located, of course, in the Animal Kingdom section, so you are not very far from Animal Kingdom at all, and that's one of my favorite parks too. So I'm really excited about that. We are past the 100-day mark, and if you've watched my channel before, around the 100-day mark, I like to start seeing what all we need for our trip. If we need medicine to put back in the, our medicine bag. I'm going to stop right there and tell you all this too. So on our last trip in November, Stella ended up getting sick in the middle of the trip. I don't know if she had the flu. I don't know if it was upper respiratory, but we were headed back to our room and my mom was holding her on the bus. She fell asleep, and my mom said, Taylor, she feels really hot. And so I'm really glad that I packed our medicine bag. I always have a thermometer in there and, medicine for everybody. And so when we got back, I took her temperature and it was like 102 point something. So I'm really glad that I had that medicine bag. So around the 100-day mark, that's what I like to do. See what we need to replace in the bag. If we need, some more clothes. Like if you have kids, you know they grow out of stuff really fast. They may need new shoes, they may need new socks, all that stuff. So I like to go through and make a list. Okay, we need this, this, and this. So I have not done that yet. I'm really far behind, and I'm just not going to stress about it because it is what it is. And we've had a lot going on, and we're doing the best we can, as all of us do. You just have to do the best you can and go on, and it'll be fine. So I wanted to throw that in there. Always take a medicine bag because you never know. Thankfully, she ended up getting better a little bit towards the end of the trip, but we just kept going on. So always have your medicine bag ready. So I'm kind of jumping around here, but we're also, when I say we've had a lot going on, the salon I work at, we are getting a makeover. So we've painted, we're getting new floors, new stations, so all that's been going on. So the salon is going to be closed next week, and it's just been really chaotic. So I'm ready for everything to get back to normal. Hey guys, so I just got back in the car from Walmart, and they have the cutest Disney clothes for your children. They are so cute, and you need to go shop there. If you're not shopping there, you're doing it wrong. You need to go. They have very affordable, very cute outfits for your kids, and they had some really cute adult stuff too. I'm going to show you the shoes that I got. I saw these on Instagram. One of the girls that I follow, she had got a pair, and I really wanted them. But okay, if you don't know, I'm really tall and I have bigger feet. I wear a size 12 in women's, and so the shoes only go up to a size 11 in women's, but she said they ran very large. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna try them on and just see, but I thought they're not gonna fit me. Well, they did. They run really big, so they fit. I'm going to show them to you. They are super, super cute. They're only $25. Hold on, let me get them out of the bag. Okay, here they are. Are they not adorable? And then they have little mini imprints on there too. And then it says Minnie all around the side. For $25. Are they not adorable? I'm so excited. I'm so glad I found these, and they had them, and I could try them on, and they do. They fit. They're super cute. So they had those, and they had just so many cute Disney outfits and Disney things for your upcoming trip, and I'm going to insert the footage of everything that I saw at Walmart right now. How cute are these little princess dresses? I absolutely love them. The top is made out of sweater material, but it's super lightweight, so not too heavy for summertime. And then the bottom is made out of that tulle, but it's very soft, so it wouldn't be itchy. They had every single princess, and I just think these would be great for your next Disney trip. Love these dresses. The next we have these little boy sets. They're so cute. They're super soft. They're made out of cotton. They came with t-shirts and shorts. They had Star Wars, Toy Story, Lightning McQueen, and they also had Mickey Mouse. These would be great for your travel day since they are so soft. They're almost like pajamas. Then we head over to the clearance rack. They had some baby items. They had Mickey and Minnie and Toy Story. They also had another little set with Mickey on it that I absolutely love. Those pastel colors, so cute. These would be great for travel day or pajamas too if you live somewhere colder. Super cute. I love these little sets. Like I said, these are for little kids, so they go up to 5T. Love that one. It came with a little sun hat. The bathing suits are so cute. Look at this little Minnie Mouse bathing suit. Love these. These are also little kid sizes. So cute. Love the Frozen one. These little cotton dresses are perfect. They're only $9.98, and they would be perfect for the park. They'd be lightweight and cool. They had Frozen and the princess dress. This little flower one would be perfect for Flower and Garden that's coming up. They have these little sun hats for little babies. They're so cute. Love these. They also had the Minnie Mouse one that would match the bathing suit. They also have these little t-shirts for $5.98. Love these pajamas. Now these are the big girl sizes, but I thought these little princess ones were so cute. They had a Mirabelle, and then they also had a Frozen robe, which I thought was really cute. I got Stella a couple of these dresses. I got her the Lilo and Stitch one, and then also the Mickey and Minnie one. Love these. These are great for summertime, super lightweight, and you could pair some little bike shorts underneath them. Love these. They had Princess also, and then they also had Wish. Love these little cotton dresses, and you get 2 for $15. There's some water shoes. This would be great for summertime. I wanted to show you these Lilo and Stitch shoes. They match the dress that I just showed you a minute ago. They had some cute boy little Crocs. Love those for $13. Those would be great for the pool, the little flip-flops. Look at these rain boots. Are these not absolutely adorable? Love these. These are also little kid sizes for $23. They also had some girl Crocs too, but these are smaller sizes. Love these for $13. Love the little Minnie Mouse high top sneakers. And then they had some dress up shoes. So I thought those would be perfect if you didn't want to do Bippity Boppity Boutique, but you wanted to have your little girl dress up. Those would be perfect. Love the little bluey high top sneakers too. So cute. They also had some little Frozen tennis shoes for $14. Now these are the adult shoes. I thought these would be great for the pool. They had Jack and Sally and Lilo and Stitch. And then they also had some little slip-on sneakers. Love those. And I absolutely love these Minnie Mouse shoes. These are the ones I showed you earlier for $25. They are so stinking cute. You need a pair for sure. And they're very comfortable too. I love them. Now we're going to move over to stuff for your trip. If you're flying or if you're driving, these would be great. They had coloring books, all different kinds. They also had some mess-free coloring supplies. Love that for your car ride so they don't get stuff everywhere. They had some more coloring books. They also had this giant sticker pad that I thought would be really fun with different scenes that you could put the stickers on that are reusable. They also had one for boys with the Avengers. I thought that would be great too. This little case is like a pencil case, but I thought this would be great for all of your charging cords. I mean, this would be awesome for your battery packs, all that, and it's really cushioned, so nothing is going to be, damaged in there. Love that for $10. Here's some more clothes I found on the way out. They had little Easter outfits that I thought were so cute. I love the Mike and Sully one. And then they had these little baby outfits that I thought were so cute. Love those, and they'd be cute for summertime. And they had some little cotton dresses too for the little girls, and I loved those. Like this little Minnie Mouse one, so stinking cute. That would be so cute with those high top Minnie Mouse sneakers that I saw earlier. Love these. Love the Nala and Simba one. And they had Bambi. These were so cute. I wish they had these in larger sizes, but these are for the little girls. Love all of these, and they came with multiple pieces. I want to say these were $15. And then they also had, $14.98. And then they also had some other little sets. This was a 3-piece set, and I thought it was really cute. And then the little cotton dresses are $9.98. And they had several to choose from of those too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.